What's good, internet? My name is Pruett and welcome to my channel and welcome to 2020. This is the year where I personally want to be more creative. I feel like I have all of these ideas in my head throughout the day. Maybe I'm at work or I'm driving or I'm doing something and I have an idea for a video. It might be a concept or just a shot I want to try to work on, or just some kind of random idea that I want to incorporate into one of these videos, and then I forget about it. I want to try to make sure that all of my good ideas actually make it into a video. And so I've decided I want to start writing down more things and pre-planning these videos more than I already do. So I was scrolling around on Instagram and I found something that I think fits this like perfectly for once Instagram ads actually coming through. And it's literally exactly what I was looking for. This is a storyboard workbook made by this company called Plot Device. This guy cost about 30 bucks and it has 80 pages, 460 plus storyboards, and 26 setup pages. And essentially it's just blank pages with storyboards. And it gives you space to write down all your shots, the sequence that they need to go in, what kind of equipment you want in order to film that. Maybe it's a gimbal, maybe it's a tripod, maybe you want to do it handheld. You can write down those things in here and have it all pre-planned. It literally feels like this was made exactly for people who are trying to make YouTube videos, or maybe a short film or any kind of short content to go online. So if you're not good at going off the top of your head and you're not good at just having everything up here, then this is perfect for you. And most people aren't good at that. So somewhere that you can store all those ideas and have everything laid out is gonna make life much easier. And for some reason, this is something people don't talk about. People talk about gear and all the extra equipment and editing software, but really rarely does anybody talk about planning your videos properly and having a place to put all your ideas ahead of time. And when it comes to making YouTube videos, this is supposed to be fun and creative. And when you get stressed out because you can't remember something or you forgot a shot while you're editing and then you have to go back, all of that extra work just makes it not fun. So pre-planning is really, really critical to making sure that you're creative in 2020 and you're not just like frustrated and then you just give up because your workflow doesn't work. So starting out with the right tools can make your workflow so much better. Really, this is a simple video. It's just about this workbook and just combining that with the idea that pre-planning is so critical to creativity. I know planning can sound boring, but you're not just gonna get inspired out of nowhere. You gotta start working and then it'll come to you. And having that perfect place to store all that stuff is really nice. And I'm gonna be relying on this in 2020, and I think other people who are new to YouTube should do the same. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then get friendly with that like button below. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. All right, later.